In this video, I will show you how to disable Discord overlay in games. So if you have your Discord installed, you can actually disable it either on your PC or on your actual mobile. In order to do this, click on the gear icon right here, or if you're on your mobile, just click on the profile icon and then scroll down in order to find your settings. Once you're on your settings, just click onto the search bar right here and then try to search in here for overlay. You can also just go to voice and video right here. So if you want, you can just scroll down and find voice and video option. It's under the app settings. And in there, you can see in here this voice and video options. So just head over and then scroll down from in here. You can see this advanced option. You can also go to the video option and then scroll down and you can see it in here the streaming options, and you also see here our soundboard as well as debugging. Under the debugging, you can see in here the stream overlay. Just head over and then disable it, and then you should be able to disable Discord overlay in your games. So that's how you disable Discord overlay in games. Hope you helped.